Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's paint some Polaroid painting. So for this Polaroid I chose a clouds and sky kind of theme because I've been loving painting clouds recently. So for the first one I'm gonna be doing a pastel blue sky with pink clouds. So I'm mixing white, a lot of white and blue. I'm just covering the whole paper with it. I'm adding a little more blue to the top part so that I get a little bit of gradient effect, so the top is a little bit darker. So for the second one I'm mixing crimson, blue and white for pastel purple, and I'm painting the sky with the pastel blue from the first painting, and I'm just adding streaks of the purple and the pink. So back to the first painting, I'm just starting to adding white for outline and then adding different shades of color of paint to cover the whole cloud. I'm using white to highlight and blending everything together. So for the second painting, so this is basically the first layer of clouds, just so I can make out where I wanted my clouds to be. And now I'm blending all the colors together. Since this is an acrylic paint, so whenever I feel like the colors are not blending properly, I just dip my brush in a little bit of water and it just makes blending much more easier. So yeah, now I'll be adding a little bit of yellow with white and mixing all the color together. Okay, so now let's draw some stars in the half moon. Also, I'm going to write quotes on both Polaroids. So for the first one, I wrote head in the clouds, heart on my sleeve because I just liked it. And for the second one, I found this word that means someone lives on the clouds with their own imagination, and I can really relate to that. So that's why I wrote this one.